Ah, yes. Just a totally normal amount of things that came in the mail this morning. What's up, guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, I have bought a lot of stuff on the internet and we're gonna unbox it. You all know I love to shop. Every day is Christmas if you buy yourself presents. So here we go. Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, Hana Kwanzaa. Let's open some stuff. Okay, I don't even really know where to start, to be honest. So let's just start with some random boxes. You know, I would say my house isn't always like this, but like, it kinda is, so. Anyways. You know, I guess we'll just start from top to bottom. So we'll start with whatever this is. Ooh, do you see that? Look at that. This is what having long nails is for, by the way, clawing into packages. Ooh, lots of stuff. Oh, I got this super cute little padlock purse. This is an unbelievable look for less. I'm gonna do like a Kylie Jenner look for less lookbook next week, so I'm assuming a bunch of this stuff is for that. But yeah, this is banger. Like, hello. Fashion. Actually, also, while I'm doing this, look at all these. Oh. I also actually got these lighting kits on Amazon too. I'm trying to get more professional before I move into the new house, you know, so yeah. So cool! I feel like I'm having a real live Vogue photo shoot, but really we're just sitting in the corner of my old apartment. Okay, so next thing. Oh, rock on. Yeah, I got this cute little black set. You know, super cute little tie-up set here. Very fun. Ooh, spicer. What else did we get from Amazon? Ooh, a giant caterpillar. Just kidding, this is a bootylicious dress. So let's see. Oh, baby. Very slinky. I got this, like I said, for a little looks for less lookbook, but this should be fun. This is literally going to change your life. I use this to wash my face instead of soap and water. It's unbelievable. It's just like oil. You put it on and your makeup just melts off. I'll do like a little mini tutorial and add that in. It is unbelievable. 10 out of 10 stars. Yay, a bag of razors. Don't click out. This video will be interesting, I swear. No, these are amazing. First of all, broke bitch tip. Do you know how expensive these are at the store? You can get 3 of these for like $7 at the store, but on Amazon you can get like 100 of them for I think $9. So bippity bobbity boo. Okay, let's see if there's something like more interesting than this. This is interesting. I'm gonna move these for a second. I actually already know what's in here because I opened it yesterday because I was too excited, but oh my gosh, look at this. This is fire. This is a rare vintage Louis Vuitton. Such good condition. I got it from a little vintage shop in Tokyo that I visited when I went to Japan. So I still follow their like social media and I buy stuff from them all the time. But this is so cool. Okay, these I actually didn't get online, but I really want to show you them anyway because I'm so excited about them. I really like stuff that I need to redo, can you tell? These are actually gorgeous. Obviously, they're not in awesome condition. I'm gonna need to have them rewired and like redone, but the base of them is so pretty. They don't make stuff like this anymore. I'll put these things on them and like little hats. Yeah, they're gonna be adorable. I think I'll actually do a cut-in field trip to the new house real quick. Are you ready? Woohoo! Surprise! Isn't that fun? Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. These 2 sconces, I don't love them. We're changing them. Actually, this is still really hard for you to imagine probably, but you know, kind of. You know, while I'm here though, look at this. Yay! The chandelier I was talking about in the other home video has arrived. Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful. I'm so excited. So excited for that. That's just gonna be iconic. So, anyways, all right, back to the other house. Look at that, movie magic, we're back. Also for the new house, I got these. Not gonna lie, I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or not. I kind of thought they would be like higher quality, but they're like random pieces of plastic, so I don't really know about this. But these were for the ballroom. I'll have to take those over and see. I don't know. Next item. Yay! Eyeballs! It's not spooky season quite yet, but I actually wear colored contacts every day. It's a little hard to see in this lighting. I'll have to get, oh, kind of, do you sort of see? No. You've seen in lots of my like makeover, get ready with me catfishy videos. Look at this. They look so natural, it's insane. So I use Halo Gray, so that's what I've been wearing. So got a bunch more of those. Should keep me in stock for a minute. The amount of boxes. Okay, dun 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 dun. Oh yay, it's the pajama box. I'm obsessed with pajamas. I actually don't love like getting dressed in general and wearing clothes. I'd rather be naked, quite frankly, but I got some cool robes. Let's see if they're cute. This looks like what Regina George would wear to bed. Actually, you can see I was having a slumber party in here with my girlfriends the other day because it was my birthday. So I still haven't cleaned that up yet. Oops. This would be super cute for like a bunch of girls for a bachelorette party to be matchy-matchy. Can you believe I actually have friends getting married? Oh, insane. It's okay. I'm wearing my fake engagement rings and thriving. Is this not the most gorgeous thing you ever saw? This is new 333. I'll show this in a minute because it's unbelievable. But anywho, for now, more PJs. Wow. Okay, this was actually super not expensive at all, and this looks wow, this is gorgeous. Look at the feathers and the silky satiny. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Obviously, I need to like iron it. I need to iron all of my stuff, but wow, this is fantastic. This is the best thing I've bought on Amazon in the last 3 hours. No, I'm kidding, but actually, wow, this is fire. Very rich sugar daddy vibes, but you're the rich sugar daddy. Also, oh, oh, actually, you know what? I'm gonna show you guys this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Come here. Is that you? Does that look just like you? It does. This is just the cutest thing anyone has ever sent me. It even says, what if it doesn't come true? Oh, but what if it does? All hand painted. This is incredible. George, do you even know that you're the subject of a masterpiece? He doesn't care. But one of you guys actually sent me this, just painted it on Twitter, and I just thought it was so amazing, so I had to have it sent to me. So shout out to Jarena, you are so talented. Wow. Oh yes, more clothes. All right, I also love corsets, so let's see. I got 2 of them. Let's test them out. They actually look like really nice quality. Okay, let's see. Okay, wow. I am really impressed with this. I don't understand how this was so cheap. This is made gorgeous. Look at the fabric, so shiny and nice. The cowl neck is beautiful. The snatching, hello. Wow, this is fantastic. Look at that, even with jean shorts, it just looks so good. This is like, I'm really picky with corsets, you guys, and this one is really nice. Maybe I'll wear this out later. Not like I have anywhere to go, but that's not gonna stop me. Okay, this one actually is going to require me to like do some lacing up, and I am too lazy for that. That being said, if I felt like it would probably look a little something like this. Actually, I'm not loving this, but I think it could be cute on the right person. Well, actually now it's growing on me. Anyways, that's that. Oh, this I'm so excited about. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my gosh, this is so aesthetic. This is like luxury, okay. Dun, 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 dun. Stop, oh my gosh, these are beautiful. So fun. So I got a bunch of phone cases from Casetify because you guys know I'm a reckless bitch who has no case on her phone. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I actually dropped it the other day and got like a crack on the side of it. There's also a crack through the center. It's really hard to see, but it's like right there. Anyways, it's driving me crazy because when I'm trying to post on Instagram, there's like a giant line through my face every time, and yeah. Anyways, I decided it was time to get a case, so I got a bunch of them. They're all ordered from Casetify, a super cute and not to mention super protective, thank God, phone case company I've seen all over IG, so I thought I'd check them out. I got some personalized ones. We had a bunch of them. I got this super blinged out one because y'all know I love bling. Ooh, sexy little cherry one. I love cherries, very spicy. I actually thought this one was really fun because it makes your phone look like a camera, which you know is like totally Inception if I'm filming myself filming. Whoa. But mostly I just really love vintage aesthetics, and if I could wink, this would be sexy, but I can't, so it's not. I like want to keep this box, especially because guess what? All their cases and packaging comes in recycled materials, so you know, good for the environment. And I just love the aesthetic of a lot of boxes, clearly. I also got the custom ones. Look at how fun. This is so cute for like traveling. Oh, and whenever I'm living my life, I'm gonna use this one because hello, y'all know I say the more the merrier. Look at that, Amber. And there's Amber. Yeah, needless to say, this one's actually probably my favorite. This is wireless charging too, I believe, so super cool. Not to mention they're skinny legends, only 13 millimeters thick, so still keeps my frozen skin a skin. Oh, hi. Okay. It doesn't feel heavy or anything. It still feels like skinny and good, so. All right, awesome. Use my code for a discount. Huge shout out to Casetify for sending me all these cases, by the way. Thank you so much. Thank you for sponsoring this video. They assured me that these offer drop protection of up to 9.8 feet. So that would be great since I drop my phone all the time. Let's drop it. Okay, I'm just gonna throw this off the balcony. Just kidding, obviously I'm not gonna do that, but we'll stand on this and throw it on the ground. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Lit. Now that is protected. After all, safety first, always use protection. So obviously they have a lot of choices for designs. They come in lots of colors, but in addition to being beautiful though, the cases also feature Defensify, an antimicrobial coating that kills 99% of bacteria, and they're non-toxic and non-hazardous. Pretty groovy. Oh, so now I have so many to play with. This is gonna be awesome. Hello, yes, this is Amber, Business Bitch Incorporated. I'm gonna end up addicted to phone cases, changing my phone cases every 3 seconds. So stay tuned, a new accessory for me to, woo! See, good thing there's a drop test. Anyways, if you want to twin with me, you guys can shop Casetify at casetify.com. So there you go. Happy shopping. Enjoy. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, yay! I finally got this little beautifully aesthetic like Gucci face spray and a super cute little limited edition lipstick. I am insane and collect things like this. I just think they're gorgeous. I'm such a collector of things. I actually have no idea what even the color of this is. Let's find out. Oh, it's like a red. Probably am just gonna use them as decor because I love these things, but look at that. The family is growing. All right, next box. Oh wait, I'm dying. That's actually so funny. I was just thinking, where were all the shoes? It's quite literally impossible for me to do a haul and not have shoes in it because if I ever am online shopping, even if I'm not looking for shoes, some ad will come up for a shoe and I will like always buy it. It's okay, it's my job. Okay, let's see what these are. Oh, I'm so excited to see these. Okay, wow, I want to die. They look almost exactly the same. Damn it. You guys know I buy a lot of expensive things and a lot of cheap things. I was known for doing dupes and I've never really stopped doing that. I'm always curious to know like how good things can be made for cheap. I got these on my trip to New York. These are the Keri Bradshaw wedding shoes. Oh my gosh, they are amazing. I really got them for art for the house, not really to wear, but if you're looking for a good dupe, I saw these and couldn't help but wonder if they would look pretty much the same, and the answer is, yeah, they do. So, anyways, if you're looking for an amazing dupe, there you go. Huh. Ooh, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Oh, yay! I have actually not read this book yet, but I have heard unbelievable things about it. I have a bunch of excerpts of this saved on Pinterest, so I looked up the actual book and I thought I would pick it out, but oh, my heart. Wow. You know, the more you read, the more you write, the more you think in poetry, the more, you know, art you consume, the more art you become. So Amber's book club, this is the first one. Maybe it'll help me with my own book. Back to the winking. I gotta learn. More shoes, yeehaw. Oh. Ooh. Now that's an aesthetic. Oh baby, these are hot. These actually look super similar to a Vuitton pair I used to have. Wow, but these were cheap. Hey, a third pair of shoes, okay. Oh, the glitter. Fantastic. I have just been obsessed with these crystally little bow heels lately. Cute. Whoa, dear. This is why I'm not a trapeze artist. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah. You guys actually can't see my other hand because I use it to hold the camera, but uh-oh. Got some of these Kiss nails. These are literally the best press-on nails in the history of ever. Total DIY makeover. I just refiled them, but yeah, I use the Kiss glue too. Great stuff. They're like 10 bucks, it's awesome. So cheap little manicure to make you look fabulous all the time. I'm the hand model for my jewelry company. I like need my nails to look on fleek all the time, which speaking of, my new designs for the rings came in and I am so excited. Oh my gosh, these are, I mean, the whole thing is I'm specifically making jewelry that isn't real to look real, but look at these stones. Oh my gosh, this is the radiant ring. I'm so stoked about this. Comes in yellow and white. It is gorgeous. Wow. Which again, do you see the difference between the two stones? This one is just made to look identical to the real thing. Nobody would ever know. plus all the bands. I have a couple of the silver halo rings. Wow, look at these again. Real. Mix and match them, like iconic. These rings are just literally gorgeous. They look exactly like the real thing. I'm telling you, no one would know. Nobody. Anyways, we got those for sale, and the necklace I am wearing in this video actually is the new Jade heart necklace. Oh my gosh, this is just so cute. This is real carved jade in the shape of a heart. I have the made in choker styles, so you can see it's a little tighter on your neck, though it's adjustable, so if you want it to be whatever you want it to be. So this is available in gold and silver. It's also super limited edition. I only have 50 of each, so Jade's supposed to be lucky, so shop fast. Speaking of the jewelry, these are new little business cards that I got. How stinking cute are these? Oh, I also got a bunch of new stickers for the packages. Aren't these so stinking cute? I ordered these on Vistaprint, by the way, so shout out to Vistaprint. If you want to sponsor me, please sponsor me, but since I pack and ship all the jewelry myself and sign all the little cards and everything, I thought I'd make it just like a little extra personal with the little stickers, so. Oh, these are more packages for the jewelry. Ta-da! Oops. I literally ship and pack the jewelry like deadass at the kitchen table right now. I have a bunch that I need to pack right now already actually, but you know, look how cute. So I'll like put the little ring in the box, close the box, got the new thing for this. Oh, it's so cute. Sorry, the necklaces are all basically sold out. I have a couple UR Art silvers left. I have probably like 50 of these left maybe, so if you want one of those are the only ones left. I think there's like 5 UR Art golds left. Oh, there's maybe like 6 or 7, but yeah, the other couple thousand of them I had are gone. By the way, please tag me when you get stuff. I love to see it. It just like melts my whole heart. Anyways, all linked below. It helps me move into the sky castle, so thanks. And thanks for just being around in general. I love you guys. This is like, I mean, this is the reason I started my YouTube channel, is because I was always trying to unbox stuff I bought. And my roommates thought it was the most annoying thing in the world. So thanks for being my new best friends. Ooh, we got a bunch more clothes. Let's see. Ooh, it's a little see-through. I think I'd probably have to wear nude underwear instead of black, but this was super cheap and super cute, and it came in a bunch of colors. So this is fun. I like this actually. This is another really similar, like kind of Greek goddess looking thing. I'm very into this lately. I mean, after all, you are a goddess. You might as well dress like one. Oh my God, my next order is I have got to buy a steamer, but look at how gorgeous this little silky dress is. The material of this is just unbelievable. This just looks like so luxe and nice with the diamond again. Satin looks a lot like silk, so it looks expensive even when it's not. Pair it with the faux diamonds and the bags. Luxury. Oh, this is so Bridgerton. I need to do a Bridgerton lookbook. I'll do that at some point. But okay, this is actually a little long for my taste. I know. I like clothes to be a little bit slinkier, but this is actually really nice quality. The sleeve tops are actually super cute. I wear dresses like this with corsets over them all the time. This is what I wore in Versailles, very similar things. So, I just love the princess aesthetic. Self-declared princess for life. What is this? Sweets. I don't remember ordering this. Wow, what? Random. Actually, being a YouTuber, I get a lot of PR. I didn't know I was on this candy list, but cool. As if I didn't shop enough already, people literally just send me stuff in the mail. I really did get the perfect career for me. Stop. When I was in San Francisco last week, I was speaking at a little YouTube thing. They sent me a little gift box. That's so nice. Thanks, YouTube. This is the cutest thing I ever saw. Now I can go hiking in style, baby. Outdoor malls are my nature. Kidding, I actually grew up like basically on a farm, so I do like nature. I just actively avoid hiking because I am lazy. All right, and that was unboxing all of that. I'm actually gonna stop now because I think this video has been like 45 minutes long. I honestly have some more boxes that I could unbox, but I'll save those for another haul. Like, comment, subscribe to see more. I'll see you guys next time. All my love in the world, even more than I love to shop. Wishing you everything you want. XO. Have I had my fly down this whole video? I hope not. The professionalism is unparalleled.